UHV-600 SF6 comprehensive tester is a set of SF6 humidity, SF6 purity, SF6 decomposition products testing in one. It is mainly used for testing the SF6 gas from SF6 insulated GIS or high voltage switchgear, etc. Today I would like to introduce the UHV-610 analyzer produced by our company. This is its screen, one air intake and one of its flow regulating valves. This is the vent. This is the power switch. And then here is a printer. Here is our charger. A lithium battery charger is built into the instrument. The built-in lithium battery can work continuously for 10 hours. And then this is a USB port. Enter the main screens. And the instrument is now automatically going through a sterilization heating phase. Wait, has entered our measurement interface. Then I'll introduce you to the wiring. Our air inlet is plugged into the intake valve. Insert. This is plugged into one of our little cylinders. Our intake valve is plugged into our intake port. And then our top end plugs into one of our small cylinders. Our other end plugs into our small cylinders. Wiring is okay. Our vent pipe is plugged into our vent. Now, once you insert it, it's locked right here. Note that if you remove it, press it down on both sides. Then it was removed. Now, after insertion, you can't pull it out like that. We now turn on our air supply cylinders. This is one temperature right here. This is the humidity. And then this is our flow. We can adjust it to 0.2 position. This side is about 0.2 position is fine. Then normally the first test will take a time of 5 to 8 minutes. And now we can see that this is a decomposition of it. Because we're using nitrogen, there's no decomposing matter in it, it's a pure gas. So now you see that the value is no longer displayed. Let me give a demonstration. And then this is the menu. This is save. It's also one of its data. When the data comes in, we just click save. It can be saved. Return. Here is a view of the data. That's the saved data, and we can do a view directly here. It can be saved to a maximum of 1000 pieces of data. And then we can also go into this, and this is a delete key. Delete to our stored data. This is a time setting, this is a calibrated data. And this is a printer. Click on it to print out our data. This is the function of the whole instrument. Now that I've turned off the air supply, you can see that its gas flow is decreasing. Because we're using a nitrogen gas. Pure nitrogen gas. So when we measure it, it doesn't have a decomposition. Very standard. Alright, now the test is done. Charge the instrument before use. Charging usually takes more than 10 hours at a time. We usually leave it for a month or 2. It must be charged once. Prevent damage to its internal battery. And if the concentration of sulfur dioxide and other gases in the detected gas is very high, clean gas, air or nitrogen should be used to clean the pipe. The pipe inside the instrument needs to be flushed out before measuring.